What's up guys? Today I will be teaching you how to make Pro P1's charcoal farm. Alright, let's start this video. So here is the materials that you need. So what we need to do first is to put 4 droppers just like this. Now go to the back and place hoppers like this. You should be facing the droppers. Now, after that, I want you to place hoppers like this until there is 50 hoppers. Do that to the other side as well. Now that you've done that, I want you to place furnaces on top of those hoppers. Just like this. Now, after you have placed all of those furnaces, it should be furnaces because it won't cook on anything else. I want you to put hoppers on top and then on the side of the furnaces. Alright? Now, after you have done this, it should look like this. Alright? Once you are done there, I want you guys to go into the front and count 2 blocks, okay? 1, 2, and then place a dropper on the 3rd block. And now, I want you guys to copy the design from the first one to here. Whoa, tough transition, am I right? Right? Alright, fine, I'm not gonna make jokes again. Alright, now that you've done that, I want you to put power drills on each and every hopper here, alright? That's what you're gonna do now, okay? Okay, I'm already done. Alright. It should look like this, alright? It should look like this abomination right here. Bruh. Now, after this, you want to take a look on the furnaces if there is an item there. Or else this farm won't work 100% of its full power. Now, I want you to go to a corner and then count the mine carts from 1 to 9. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then just place a redstone block there. Now, place redstone block on the side of these rails here. And I want you to do that, guys, for every non-powered rails you have. Just like this. You need to count them until it's 9. And then just place redstone blocks like that. Now, this clip that I'm about to show you is wrong. Okay? Bruh. This man right here doesn't even know how to build this farm properly. Dude, okay. So basically, what I did wrong here is to put hoppers on the bottom like this, okay? So what you saw there is a complete mistake. So you don't want to put hoppers on the bottom, okay? On the bottom of these rails. You only need to put hoppers on the top of these rails, okay? Now, after you've done that, place chest like this, okay? Wait. Okay, place chest like this. Alright. Hey guys, Bro here. As I'm recording this thing, I just wanted to say that thank you so much for the support that you guys gave me, okay? And there will be a much more better farm if I get to 1K followers. Alright, that's it guys. Let's go back to the videos. Alright, just put chest like this, like that, and then do that for on every top hoppers. Alright. Now that we have done it, alright, we have done it. We should it should look like this. Okay? It's just an abomination of chess. And now go to the middle of every chest on the side and then put a hopper there. Alright? 2 hoppers. It's like this, okay? And it should look like this. Alright, now that you have done that, we will move on to the ice part. Put ice like this and do it to the other side also, just like this. Now, after that, it should look like this, okay? And you need to go to the other side as well. Now, once you're here, I want you to do that again, to put 4 blocks of ice like this. And on the other side as well. And bridge them together. Now it should connect just like this. Now this is the best part, okay? Because now we are gonna build the skeleton of this thing. To make it work, alright? Just place 1 orange stained glass like that and then just do this. Alright? Oh yeah, and also put orange stained glass at the side also. Just like this, okay? You put orange stained glass like this all around the farm, okay? Now go to the opposite side of the droppers and place glass blocks like this. And now place packed ice like this and break some of the glass blocks, okay? Now this next part is where I realized I did something wrong. That's why I replaced these these hoppers with orange glass panes. Alright, now I want you guys to place solid blocks like this, okay? It shouldn't be any transparent block. It should be any solid blocks, okay? In front of all of these minecarts. It should look like this, okay? And also I forgot to add the ice block in one of the rails. Now we are going to do the auto refilling system. This is where all of the charcoal will go to your storage and goes to the furnace. Alright. Just copy what I'm doing here, okay? Place glass here, okay? And do it on others also. Now that we have done that, I want you guys to put power drills just like this. Okay? You guys want it to put towards all of the other powered rails. Now just put redstone blocks like this, okay? You want all of them to get powered. Now, put ice here, just like that. On the other side also. Now, I want you to put hoppers facing this way. Okay? Now, the hoppers is supposed to face the rails. A temporary block, okay? And place hoppers facing the temporary blocks. Now, I want you guys to do that to the other rails as well, okay? Now that you've done that, it should look like this. Now break the top glass and then put 5 hoppers underneath it, okay? Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, I want you guys to do that on the other hoppers as well. Break these ice blocks like that and then put 5 hoppers on top of them. Now that you've done that, I want you guys to connect all of the hoppers using ice blocks, just like that. Now, place an ice block like that and then try to barricade all of them. After you barricaded all of it, this is the part where you will refill everything with the charcoal that you've made. Now, place ice blocks like this, okay, and place it all the way up until this other ice path. Of course, don't forget to cover it with glass. Now, after that, let's go to the shooting system. This is where all of the charcoal will go and shoots it all the way over to the back. Now, place glass blocks like that so it doesn't like go over. And place ice blocks. Oh, and also break that there, and then break some grass all the way to the collection system and the refilling system. Now, once you've done that, we are going to place ice blocks all the way. Now, we are going to use a chute, okay? But first, we are going to barricade all of the ice block. And then done. Now it's supposed to look like that, okay? Now you need a water bucket and place one over to the first this dropper, okay? And now grab a glow lichen and put it over to the last water. Alright, now you do that for everything, okay? Bro, what the heck is this villager doing, bro?
Bruh.
Now, you're in the end, right? Let's go and place blocks like that so the water doesn't flow directly in this soul sand. Now, go up for 10 blocks, or you can just maybe measure it a bit so it always like goes to the hoppers, like it aligns with the hoppers, okay? Now, after that, I want you guys to block off this and then just measure it out, because I want you guys to make a water elevator. Alright. Now after that, I want you guys to place ice here, okay? And align it with the hoppers. Break glass blocks like that, these two, and then place the ice block and just barricade the sides. Now we are going to do the water elevator. You guys can just use ice to quickly make your water elevator. Now this will transport all of the charcoal from here, so it auto refills that part of the farm and this too, okay? Now we are going to do the storage system in which you can sell your charcoal. I want you to bridge 5 blocks away from your platform, okay? And now place a glass block there and 2 hoppers. This is the part where you can use sugar loaders as your storage, since if you build many of this, you will get a ton of charcoal and you don't have time to sell it. Now we are going to place a chest just like that to collect your charcoal. Now we are going to do the thing where the the logs will go. So first, place a chest there and also water, and place glass panes like that with the glow lich on the side. Now let me just block that off. I forgot to block that off. Okay, there. And now just put glass panes until you see this one water block right here. Put glass panes over there, okay? And on the opposite side, place a water bucket or water ice. I don't really know. And now you repeat that for every last water block until you go to the other side. Now I want you to put glass stains like that, and then a water there. You can put glow lichen if you want. Okay, now just repeat what I'm about to do. Now after that, you just repeat what you did here over to here. Now after all of that, we are gonna go over here and we are going to loop it again. Put glow lichen on the end of the water flow and just a water bucket, and there you have a working looping item thing. I don't know what that is called. Now you're almost done with the farm, and if you have made it until to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, I really appreciate all of the things, the comments, all of the followers, all of the hearts and likes. Yo, thank you so much guys. Now I want you guys to break this chest, okay, and this hopper as well, because we are going to do what we're going to do is an area that we can collect all of the materials. Put ice like that up until here, and then place chest hoppers going into the chest and just barricade this off so no water can go out. Now after that, you might want to upgrade your storage system a little bit by placing one hopper down going there and two hoppers going to the other side of the hoppers, okay? So that means you will get twice as much drops when the farm is fully filled. Now we're going to make an area where we are going to drop our logs. Put a temporary block there and put a soul sand after. Oh shit, wait, okay. Just like this. Now put glass blocks like that, and then put ice just like this, okay? And it's supposed to go all the way here, okay? Just put ice blocks just like that. That's going all the way here. And put glass blocks just like this. Now all you need to do is to barricade this whole thing, okay? Just barricade it with glass. Now after that, place a glow lichen over here and break this and put orange stained glass. You can now put water just like this and then put glow lichen over here and then here and then just put water. Now you're done for the dropping area. Now you can just drop your logs from here up until here, okay? And this one is where you'll need to put your fuel, okay? Also remember guys, in order to make this farm works, you need to first refill all of this with a fuel, okay? Any fuel will work, blaze rods, wood, or anything, even charcoal, coal, and even lava can work. Maybe not lava because they will get replaced. And now I'm dropping wood for the fuel. If this is on Donut SMP, this much more quicker, okay? The hoppers will be much more quicker and it will go over down to the minecarts. And also I forgot to tell you to put minecarts. Let's say chest minecart with chest, okay? Place 3 just like that. Place 3 chest minecart per rails, even here, okay? Now that you have done that, we are now going to drop wood over here, okay? We're going to drop wood over here. Oh my gosh, bro, this is too slow. But as you can see, it goes over to the large chest until it's filled up over to here, okay? Over to here. So you can AFK it overnight, and you can also put more storage by just putting more chests over the top of another hopper. Now right here, we are going to make our redstone system in which the droppers will drop all of the charcoal there is. Now, just do what I did, okay? Just do what I did. Using that, okay? And look, it drops all of the charcoal there. And also, I think you might need redstone repeater over here. Okay? You need redstone repeater over here. So you can trigger the bottom dropper. Well, that's the farm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed editing this one. Thank you so much.